Hello everyone, I'm Morena Alcala, working as a OFW based here at Spain. As a OFW, I've always looking something na mapagkakakitaan at nakita ko ang business opportunity na ito through social media. At dito ko po nakilala si Coach Jason Zapanta na siyang tumulong sa akin at napakita ang ganda ng sistema. Again, thank you so much Coach Jason Zapanta for helping me to reach my income through Kabayan Savings while doing this as a part-time. And as well, by tulungan system here to our community. Walang masamang sumubok. All you need is to trust and believe in yourself. Just comment how para ikaw naman ang matulungan at makauwi for good na may malaking ipon.
Boom, ba-da-da-da-da, boom.